Entre Catalunya i l'Índia hi ha més de 9.000 quilòmetres de distància. Però, malgrat tot, compartim una mateixa passió. Aquí en diem Castells, allà són els govindes. Una tradició centenària vinculada al festival d'Afi Handi que se celebra durant el Jan Mashti, el naixement del déu Krishna. Els seus orígens són diferents, sí, però els valors són els mateixos. Força, equilibri, valor i seny. Una delegació dels govindes ha viatjat fins a Catalunya per conèixer de prop el món casteller. Nosaltres ens hem desplaçat fins a Tarragona, on hem pogut parlar amb en Rajesh, un dels membres del grup Jai Jawan Govinda. Amb ell descobrim les seves emocions, aprenentatges i la connexió entre dues cultures que, malgrat la distància, comparteixen un mateix esperit: fer pinya.
Hello, Rajesh.
Hi, Jim.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Fine too.
Yeah.
Let's start this conversation talking about your experience here in Catalonia these days. How is it going?
It's a great experience. We have never imagined that we will get that type of honor and welcome over here. But it's great that all these things are arranged by coordinator very well, and we are very much excited to meet all the people over here. So that's great experience, and we are learning a lot over here.
We are in the Plaza de la Font, is one of the main squares that we do Castells during the Santa Tecla festival.
Yeah.
Do you visit a lot of places these days?
Yeah, on first day only we have visited this place, and we know about the history of all the Castellers or community and how it got started. And on next days we went to the Wells, okay, for Santa Ursula, and that experience was very what I cannot express in the words actually. The mayor of the city honored our sir over there, and we got a lot of exciting. We shared a lot of exciting moments with the other Castellers also, and watching the Castellers, two Castellers, which are ancient Castellers from where the origin has started. Right, we are that place, and we got a lot of memories to share with the other people in India. Okay, so that was a great experience actually, and we were very much what we can say overwhelmed by all the people which they shared with us. Okay, so that's a great experience, and we saw one of the greatest performance on that day.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah.
Now I want to know about your experience, but at Govindas. How did you start?
So in 2000, our coach has established this Govinda Pathak, okay, and I joined up in 2002, okay. So I was a part of a ladder, okay, which is, we called it as a Sardar Shidi, okay, over there. I was part of that. Now currently I'm leading that, but I was playing at the 3rd level of the Shidi that time. Okay, so when we built the 8th level pyramid, that time the excitement was there, but during the performance we have to control all those excitements. So that experience was very great for us, and we enjoyed a lot during our festival, because it's a festival for us and it's a one-day festival. So we have to be in control, and we have to be very energetic also, because all the people are depending on us, and they are counting on us so that our team should perform very well on that day.
What do you feel when you are up there or down holding others? Do you feel nervous, focused face?
No, we don't feel nervous, because we are practicing daily for more than 3 months. So nervousness is not there. There is no chance of nervousness.
They told me that you practice every day.
Every day, yeah.
Every day.
Every day.
Here, only 2 times a week.
Yeah,
so
but you are practicing over the years. Only few festival seasons you are not performing, but you are practicing every other month, right? That's what we came to know. But in our case, we are performing, we are practicing during those 3-4 months only. Whenever people are getting time from their daily busy work, all the festivals aligned as per the Indian calendar. So date will change in that case. So that's a long season. If
Yes,
we say
yes,
that.
yes.
Yeah.
A lot of exhibitions, performances. So is an intense activity,
Yeah,
Castells.
that's it.
We are by the ancient walls
Yeah.
of Tarragona,
Mhm.
and they remind me of Castells.
Yeah.
What does govindas mean to you?
Govinda means a passion, a tradition, and the culture, the heritage which we are passing on from one generation to another, and that has been uh, insisted from the starting from our coach Sandeep Dhawale. He has told all these things, good things to all the people. So whenever a new player is coming, he is also accepting those values inside. Okay. So
Yes, here força, equilibri, valor i seny is our lema, casteller. And the experience is nice because I imagine a crowd of people doing something in common. Here, Castells, the groups, Colles, we are like a family.
yeah.
Are you a family too?
Yeah, we are having a big family of more than 1,000 people over there. So our mother, father, brothers are always there with us, right? And we keep in touch with each other always over the years. It's not only 3-4 months of the game and we are disconnected. It's not like that. We are always connected.
Here we are a big family, a team. We share moments, so that's really nice.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
A very nice experience.
Yeah.
And what's your opinion about risk and safety?
Yeah. So always risk will be there, okay, and you have to counter that risk with safety measures, okay. So although we don't have that much techniques in India, whatever infrastructure you are having in over here or whatever support you are getting from the government for the safety and all those things, we have a safety restrictions or something like that in India also. We are following that, and our coach always thought about the safety of each and every player. So safety is prime important, and we are learning all those techniques from you, how we can implement, how we will get that kind of support. We have to figure it out.
The coordinadora is working now on how to improve the safety and protection of the
Yes, yes, yes,
helmet,
yes.
especially for kids. What's happening when a tower fall?
Okay, when tower falls, first it hurts over here, okay, then we are searching for all the peoples or there who got injured or something, because it's a height game, so always there is a chance of injury. But due to practice and the rigorous training and all those things, whatever Sandeep sir is teaching us, whenever you are falling also, we have to be very careful. It's not the one person mistakes, right? It should be a team mistake when we are considering it, okay. So we don't blame each other, okay. We are preparing ourselves from next round of that performance, and we are giving our best, okay. So till now, this year we have performed 10 layer pyramid, but it's a karagat. But next year we will diskaragate it, and no single injury in that performance. Although we fall down, but no single injury in that case.
That's an interesting question because sometimes it's difficult to handle it, and other times it's easier because it was a slight fall. But it's important to have a coordination with
Yes.
the medical services required and the medical service of each team.
Yes.
And for this reason, is important also the rehearsals and
Yes.
trial
Yeah.
performance before the exhibition. For this reason, I consider that Castells is a safe activity.
Yes, it's same at Govinda's level also. It's a risky activity, but you have to continue your tradition and you have to pass on it to generation by generation.
What are you taking away from your experience here in Catalonia?
Okay, so spirit is same. Okay, so that's the thing. but there will be differences in the structure in Govinda style and Castellar style. So how we can blend that structural difference in our style also, we want to think, because we will learn new things, whether you come to India and watch the Govinda, how they perform. You will also know that there is a difference in there is a ladder structure you can accommodate in your style. So, and at your end, the structure is different. So, how the people are climbing by
Yes.
taking support of themselves only. How we can accommodate to reach the new heights. That's our goal, main thing, and also the safety. And also, you are technically little bit advanced, so you are one step ahead of us on technical ground, and we want to accommodate those because you are having apps and all those things. You are maintaining the attendance. Everybody sees that who is present and all those things.
What does climbing means to you?
So, if you have to succeed, right, in your life, you have to climb the new heights. Okay, so for us in Castellers or whether it's in Govinda, you have to always look at top. What is there? What is your goal and all those things.
My conception is the same in Castells, because we don't want to fall. We need to go up, achieve. If the tower is difficult, the challenge is big.
Huh?
We have some things in common and the same goal.
Yes.
Touch the sky or try to touch the sky. So I think that this 2025 will be special for you because of your trip here in Catalonia, and I think that your experience, I guess, was amazing.
It was a very amazing experience over here. People at India, they are also watching through our eyes, and they're experiencing whatever we are sharing with them, and they are very much excited to visit next year over here. So also that I would like to thank all the Catalan people or Castellers community. Wherever we have visited, we have got a lot of good reception and welcome from all the people over there, and we would like to thank everybody, and also the coordinator to organize this trip for us. They are a very good host, and the other teams who are very good host, or they are representative ambassador of the Catalonia. Thanks all of them.
I hope you like it.
Yes.
So that's for all, and thank you very much for this conversation.
Thanks a lot. Meeting you soon.